How nice that looks in the sun. Look at that. As you can see by the title of the video, that's right, folks. We got Euros. I'm gonna show you how to install these today. And I'm gonna show you a comparison of how they look. Before I get into that though, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you subscribe down there. Just let you know whenever I post a video. I post short form content pretty much every day, and I post 2 long form pretty much every week. So you get 2 long videos and a bunch of short videos throughout the week. Short videos are usually a couple seconds, but without further ado, let's get into it. All right, this install should be pretty easy. It's supposed to all be plug and play. All you really need is a ratchet and a pry tool. You want to start by coming inside. There's these pins here. I don't know if you can kind of see it. And all you gotta do is twist them. It's 4 altogether, 2 on each side. All right, now that you got them all off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop this plastic part off. All right, now you got all this exposed. Pop this out with your little pry tool. Get up in there. Actually, I can probably get to it without having to do that. In fact, it looks like I can. So, there's a little connecting piece. You're gonna unplug this. This is to the headlight. These 2 bolts off here. These are probably 10 mil deep. They're off. Same thing on the other side. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, but for comparison's sake, we're going to start with this side so you can see the difference. Sure, I got everything here. Oh, there might be one more right there. Now you should just come right out. Alright, if you did it all correctly, it should all slide out like this. Alright, actually you just had to pull this through. But again, like I said, plug and play. These are the factories. And these are the Euros. Gonna look so good. We're gonna slap this Euro in right now. All plug and play. How nice that looks in the sun. Look at that. Come on now. Let's get into it. Let's threading this through. Getting this in here. Alright, make sure you got the right one. Slide that in. It all slaps in good. Let's take a look at how it looks on the car now. Come on, man. Come on now. Way better. Way better. Way better. Oh, man. I gotta get a diffuser now just to make it all offset. I gotta get me a little spoiler. I got that little factory spoiler, but get a great, way better look. Let's get these back in. We'll do the other side and then we'll make sure everything, actually let's make sure that's connected now. Make sure this one runs and then we'll do the other side and I'll show you how everything looks all together. And as you see on the turn signal, it still lights up just like factory, the 1, 2, 3. So we are good to go. So we're just gonna repeat the steps of getting it back on. That's it. It was a super easy install, super duper easy. I hope I explained it well and you guys are able to do this on your own. All you gotta do, like I said, put everything back the way you started. It's only 3 bolts and a couple of clips. I'm gonna put this back now too. If you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, subscribing is just to know whenever I post. I post shorts every day and I post long form content twice a week on all types of car stuff, mainly Mustang. But again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.